Hi guys, welcome back with me again and this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set a timer on Snapchat. So if you guys didn't know, there's a timer feature where you can add or set a timer to tag your Snapchat videos or story. So just open your Snapchats and open the Snapchat camera like this, and on the right side in here there will be this panel, and to see the timer button you can just click on this drop down the arrow and you'll find timer option. So just tap on that to use it, and if you want to adjust the length of the timer you can just long press on the timer, and this is the video timer. So you can set the length of your recording. For example, here the maximum is 2 minutes, and for example I'm going to just set timer for 50 seconds. You can adjust it how you like it, like this, and after that you can click on the set timer button. So when you tag a video it will stop directly on the timer that you have set. For example, I said 50 seconds, so when it reach 50 seconds it will stop recording. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.